Most Shopify store lose extra revenue at checkout, not because of bad products, but because they don't upsell the right away. Today I will show you how I build a checkout UI extension upsell that actually works. So as you can see, we have additional product you may like, and there are 5 products are being displayed here, the latest 5. And we have the product title, the product image, and the discount we are offering. The compare price is this and the actual price is this, and we have add to cart button. Now you can see we have only one product into the cart and we are at the checkout page. So if I would like to add this product, because this they are offering a good discount over here, so I will add this product and it will instantly will be added in my checkout page. So I can add up to 5 products, and now my second product is added. Next I can add the another one if I like this, and you can add as many as you need, and those products are already added, will not be shown, will not be added again. So this is what I built, and let me show you how I did that. First I install the Shopify app by typing Shopify app in it, and then I install the Shopify checkout UI extension, and in the extension I went to this extension folder, checkout UI folder, and then inside source folder I have checkout.jsx. And if I open the Shopify extension, shopify.extension.toml file, here we can see all the settings, and like the name of the extension, the handle and the type, and the UID as well, and extension target where you would like to show this UI checkout UI extension. So I target that purchase.checkout.cart line list render after. So this is the place where I have rendered the additional products. So you can change the placement if you like. You can go back here and copy this URL and open this URL over here, and these are the different target. Shopify provide different targets, and you can check them one by one where you would like to show them. So if I control Z, and before that by default purchase.checkout.blog.render, it was showing on the left side. So now you will see it is showing on this side. Okay, so if you want to change the position, you can check all the targets from here, and I will keep the position over there. So I will just control Y, and now it will go back to the original place where I have added this additional products you may like section. So let's go to the code and check how it is working. So we have function extension. This is the function. First we have export default sync, and we are rendering this extension, and in this inside this extension we have returned this banner, and then render a UI. We render the product and set the product state, and then we have loading and set loading state, and error and set error state. So this is the query which fetch the latest product from the Shopify, fetch the latest 5 products from the Shopify store. You can change the query if you like. You can fetch product from specific collection, product specific date, whatever you would like, you can fetch those products with the help of this GraphQL query. So I am fetching the latest 5 products over here, and I can change the amount of the product. Let's say if I want to show only 2 products, and now if I reload this extension, this time I will be only getting 2 products, and you can limit them as many as you need from the query. And this is our query latest product, and in the product we get the first let's keep them 5 products, and in the products we get the ID, title, featured image, and the variant information. In the variant we have the ID, price, and the compare price. So we have the image of the product, we have title, and we have the price and the compare price. This is what we need. And once we get this data, we set the state set product, and we put this data into the product object. And this is all it is happening, and we are all after fetching the data, we just organizing the data, we are getting the variant and then price and the compare price and everything, and then we are doing the percentage, and after that we return this object, the variant ID, the image, and the title, and the deal, and the price and compare price, and the currency, and we set everything in the products array. And then we mount these products, and after that we handle the add function. So whenever we click on the add button, this function runs, and this set the adding ID, the product ID, and we make the API call, and we call this function Shopify apply cart line change. So this is the Shopify function which actually add the product into the cart, and we need add cart lines and the merchandise ID, which will be the product ID, and the quantity, how many we need. We can send as many as we need, but right now we are sending only 1 product. You can add the quantity box over here if you like, and user can change the quantity how many they like. So if we change the quantity to 2 products, and if I check that, and now if I reload the page, and the big shirt is right now in the 1 quantity, if I add it again, and now it becomes 3 because we added 2 more shirts. So you can control the quantity from here, you can make it dynamic. So let's keep it 1, and after that we have the loading state, which when we load the this UI extension, we have loading products. This is the loading state, and this is the error state, and finally we have the component which is displaying all the products over there. We have this heading, you can change the heading from here, additional product you may like, and this is the loop which is running, which is displaying all the products. And we have used the Polaris web component for that, as tag, as heading, and this is displaying all the information over here. So this is how you can make the Shopify checkout UI extension and make the upsell function. So very easy, very nice, and I hope this makes sense to you. Please let me know if you have any question, and thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.